Yeah, hi. Ritik.
Hi Rohit, how are
Yeah,
you?
yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, how are you? Yeah, Ritik. Yeah, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Rakshit Santanwal and I am holding bachelor's degree in computer science engineering from MIT University. And from where I gained the understanding of software engineering principles and Java programming skills. And right now I am currently working as a Java developer with Decimal Technologies and now I am a part of Sarthi team, which is a child company of Decimal Technologies. And along with Java, I have expertise in like Spring Boot and REST APIs, Google Cloud Platform, and PostgreSQL and Git, TDD, etc. So, should I tell more about my company, Sarthi, or what are the roles and responsibilities I play in that company?
Like the technical flow of your current project is fine.
Sorry.
The technical flow of current project which you're working on is fine. Yeah,
Yeah, I will briefly explain what all activities and roles I am currently doing, being in a part of company. So basically, uh, if I explain briefly about my company, it is a one-stop shop type of lending where all your financial need loans, like secured and secured loans, they provide loans, and it also enables verified and trusted channel partners to send the digitalized loan applications. And I have around 2+ years, excluding the probation period, 2+ years of experience in Java development only. And matlab, I am currently working on developing functionalities for lending applications. Okay, connecting various banks and NBFCs with DSS across India. And along with that, I also do implementation of API integrations with banks and NBFCs using Spring Boot, and covering all the functionalities like lead creation and document upload, dedupe check, etc. Uh, also account verification and document analysis. So also implemented various encryption and decryption mechanism also to to ensure secure communication of data between the application and financial institutes. And also participating actively in a stakeholders meeting for requirement gathering and providing technical representation. Moreover, if I talk about product enhancement, so I have worked on business insights report generation, using Spring Boot and export data from MS Excel to and Google Sheets, reducing it reduced the efforts of business and marketing team by 80%, you can say. And developed a notification engine also to enable push notifications for iOS and Android devices using Spring Boot and Google Firebase cloud messaging. And also integrated WhatsApp business APIs for end user interactions, enabling users to fetch information via WhatsApp. And moreover, I have also implemented a Jira middleware Jira ticket raising application by end user for improved efficiency support and reducing TAT by 30% for the user. And yeah, that's all.
okay. So are you familiar with the microservice architecture?
Sorry.
Microservice architecture.
Yeah, yeah.
So the current project which you're working on, is it a monolithic or a microservice application?
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
The current project which you're working on, is it a monolithic or a microservice application?
Microservice.
Microservice, right? So how many services are there?
Like we are integrating vendor sides API also, or lender side APIs.
Okay, then how do the services communicate each other? So if one is dependent on other means.
Yeah. So if I explain how the services are depending on each other, so basically we, for example, if we are getting a service or API, like API from a lender, I say, so we integrate that in our system and pass it as a service to DB or the front end as per the requirement, and from where they execute our service and fetch the data from the backend, like backend from the lender side.
So then what's the integration process like? What are the mechanism you follow?
Mechanism for instance.
Like how do the services communicate each other? What are the ways, multiple ways of communicating?
Okay, so mechanism for how the services communicate. Just give me a second. So like
Like there are multiple ways, right? Like REST template, like using URLs, using thin client, or else we can do it by the Kafka.
sorry,
So fine. Tell me about role of API gateways here.
call up gateway,
API gateways.
API gateways.
Yeah.
So like basically API gateways, like they are a component, I can say component of a something app delivery infrastructure, I can say, that basically that sits between the client and the service, and provide centralized type of handling of the API communication between them. And moreover, it also like delivers and provides security, and like monitors, and there is visibility of all, like across all the premises.
Okay, here, how did you secure your APIs? Like, what are the mechanism and what are the multiple ways to secure our APIs here?
Like how to secure the APIs, right?
Yeah.
So we can use we can use JWT token also, and like if I talk more about this JWT tokens, and just give me a second. JWT token, like what I have used is JWT token for securing the APIs. So should I explain that?
No, not required. Like, tell me about the difference between synchronous and an asynchronous programming.
Okay, so synchronous, difference between synchronous and okay. So synchronous, like if I talk about synchronous, like synchronous means happening at the same time, basically, and asynchronous is just opposite of the synchronous, that not happening at the same time, and asynchronous is a type of I can say is a non-blocking type of architecture. So the execution of, you can say, the execution of the task isn't dependent on another. Like task can run simultaneously, whereas synchronous is a blocking architecture type. So the execution of all each and every operations like depends on completing the one before it.
So then, how can we achieve asynchronous communication?
Sorry.
How can we achieve asynchronous communication?
Okay, how can we achieve synchronous? Mm, no. Mm,
So, tell me what are the newly introduced features of Java 8?
Newly features of Java 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. So New features of Java 8 are like lambda expression. Lambda we can use, and streams.
Okay.
Streams.
So did you come across anything like completable feature APIs here?
Sorry,
Completable feature APIs.
complete.
Completable future APIs. It's a newly introduced part of Java 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
So do you know anything regarding
Mm,
like Java concurrency module? Are you familiar?
sorry,
Java concurrency module.
Java concurrency module. Um,
Anything like what are executor services?
no, executor service.
All right. Okay. Tell me difference between checked and unchecked exceptions.
Sorry,
What are checked and unchecked exceptions?
checked and unchecked exceptions are like um, so checked expressions like these are the like exceptions. Okay, check and uncheck. So checked and unchecked exceptions. So yeah, checked and unchecked exceptions like these checked exceptions are basically the exceptions that are checked at uh, I can say at the complete time, like at the last of the time, and unchecked exceptions like they are checked at the like when it is compiling. I guess at the compilation time, I guess it checks so that at the unchecked exception checks at the compilation time.
Okay, tell me difference between array and a collection.
Difference between
Array and collection.
array and collection. So array is basically like a group of objects, and like they are almost they are like fixed in size, I can say, and moreover,
Okay.
just a second. Array and collections, right? So array are like fixed in size, okay, and like that is once that we create an array, so we cannot increase or decrease based on our requirement. And whereas collections are like changeable and changeable in nature, so that is based on our requirement. We can increase or decrease the size of that. If I talk about the array, so array, like in array, I guess write in memory are used. So arrays are not recommended mostly, uh, not recommended to use if we talk about the if we compare from like collections. So collections and like also with respect to performance, arrays are recommended. Uh, yeah, that's it.
Okay, what is the purpose of this and super keywords?
Sorry,
This and super keyword.
no, I don't know.
You find them.
Java program to concatenate two arrays. Okay.
So the output will be 153426. Okay, Archit. That's it from my side. Yeah. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. You can leave. We'll get back to you.
Okay, sure.